Titanic is a movie set in 1912 on a ship called Titanic. A young man, Jack, won a ticket to go on the ship. Jack was a poor artist who believed that he could start a new life in America. One evening, Jack met a young woman named Rose. Rose was there with her future husband, Cal, and her mother. Cal was a very rich man, but he wasn't a good person, and he liked Rose only because she was beautiful. Rose knew that Cal didn't really love her, and she felt terribly unhappy. One evening, Rose felt so depressed that, for a moment, she wanted to jump off the ship. This is when Jack saw Rose and saved her life. Jack and Rose started to spend time together, and they started to like each other. Jack saw that Rose was an intelligent young woman and an interesting person, not only a beautiful girl. But Rose couldn't be with Jack because she was from an aristocratic family, while Jack was not. Also, Rose's family needed Cal's money, so Rose had to marry that man. But Rose and Jack still fell in love and decided to run away together when the ship got to America. These plans, however, would not happen because one night, a tragedy happened. The Titanic hit an iceberg and started sinking. People ran to lifeboats to evacuate. But the Titanic didn't have enough lifeboats. Everybody got scared and confused. People from the first class took all the lifeboats, while people from the lower classes had to stay behind. Soon the ship broke into pieces and sank. Hundreds of people stayed on the ship because they didn't find places in lifeboats. When the Titanic sank, all these people went into the water. But the water was too cold for people to survive. Jack and Rose also jumped into the ice-cold water. They found a floating door, and Jack helped Rose to get on the door. But the door was too small for both him and Rose, so Jack stayed in the water. Unfortunately, the water was too cold for him, so Jack died. Rose survived and was saved by another ship. Rose lived a long and happy life, but she always remembered Jack and their special love.